In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage adding a comments form to your WordPress 2025 site. This is an updated guide designed to help you seamlessly integrate this feature in no more than 5 minutes, making your website more interactive and engaging. So let's dive right into it. First, head over to wordpress.com in your web browser. This is the main hub for managing all your WordPress sites, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro. Once you're there, you should see the login button prominently displayed on the top right of the page. Go ahead and click on that. If you haven't previously logged in or your session has expired, you'll be prompted to log back in. Next, you'll have the option to log in through different methods. And for convenience, we're going to use Google. So click on Continue with Google. If you're already logged into your Google account in your browser, this process should be quick. Otherwise, you'll be asked to select or enter your Google account credentials. Once you've logged in, you'll be redirected back to WordPress. Look to the right panel on your dashboard, and under the Quick Links section, you'll find an option labeled Edit Site. Click on that to gain access to the editing interface for your website. This is where you'll be making all the changes and additions to your site. Now find the Add button on the top left of your screen, which allows you to add new blocks to your site. From layouts to multimedia, blocks are the building blocks of your WordPress site. You're going to click on this button to proceed. Once you click on this, a search field will appear. In the search field, type in comments form. This feature is luckily quite standard within WordPress, and it should pop up immediately within the search results. After you see it listed, simply click on comments form to add it to your page. And just like that, the comments form is now part of your WordPress page. Congratulations, you've successfully added a comments form to your WordPress site. This feature allows visitors to engage more deeply with your content by leaving comments and starting discussions. It's an effective way to boost interaction and feedback on your site. Remember to moderate your comments to maintain a healthy community and prevent spam. You might also want to customize the appearance of your comments section to match your site's design, but that's a topic for another day. And there you have it, a straightforward yet comprehensive guide that will help you boost your site's interactivity. Thanks for watching, and I hope this has been helpful to you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more updates and guides like this one. Stay tuned.